Just set up a couple trail cams, and now we are gonna sit here in the blinds for the duration of the day, and then head into town, get some supplies tonight, and we'll be here the next couple days. So we'll check back.
So first evening sitting on the new land, sitting in a blind, and see her come around the corner, just cautiously a little, slowly, and ready for a good shot, and got her.
One shot, one doe down.
Yep.
Nice. A little snow last night. Well, it's about 5:10 a.m., 5:15 a.m. in the stands already. Tell you what, it's really nice being able to just get up a little bit later and walk straight to your stand. I think we're gonna love hunting this property. It's about 6:30. Legal shooting light is about 6:32 a.m. Legal shooting light is at 6:50. So we're almost there. I've already seen 6 or 7 pointer on camera, but obviously we let him walk. It's now legal shooting light. So now what we want to do is just see a deer. Very quiet this morning. Very, very quiet. I think I've heard one gunshot so far. First hour or so. I'll show you in a second, but we got all this snow and now we've got some freezing rain. So we'll see. Starting to hear a few gunshots. So the new deer beginning to move, it seems. Snow's really starting to come down. Bringing our deer in to get processed. Wisconsin River Meats in Boston. I never tried this place, but it looks pretty good. Well, we're in the blind. It is about 5:40 in the morning. We're just getting settled, and then pretty soon here, we're gonna be very quiet, right, Brooklyn?
Yeah.
And then we're gonna watch for some deer. So we'll check back in when it's light out. It's kind of hard to see with the glass fogged up, but they're out there. See the deer right out there. There's 2 of them. Not quite legal shooting hours yet, but will be soon. Don't move. We saw that one earlier, but it was a little bit before shooting light. So right now, Brooklyn and I are still in the blind. We're gonna just sit out another hour or so this morning. She's getting cold. She's being a big trooper, so she's awesome. But this is her first sit for a hunt, so hopefully she gets bit with the bug just like the rest of us. So it's pretty cold this morning. It's only 16 degrees and it's windy, although we're in the blind. So we're out of the wind, but it's cold. We don't have a heater in here. So we're actually just gonna sit maybe 10 or 15 minutes more and going really early today. Port Brooklyn's really cold. So, and it's cold up. So, but hey, at least we had a couple deer on film. And I already got a deer this year, so I don't need another one. It would be a bonus.
Freezing.
It's really cold this morning, isn't it?
3 leather pants, 3 shirts, and 2 coats, and a hair gloves, a sweatshirt, and more, and 3 pairs of socks.
Yeah, it's cold today. It's really cold. It's like with the wind chill, it's below 10. So we are we're cold. We're gonna head in. What a view from the kitchen window. Yeah, so it was just too cold for her. So we came in. We're gonna curl up and probably go back to sleep for a little bit.